Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to generate videos using text in Grok. So once you're inside Grok, go ahead and click on Imagine on the left hand side, and from here you are able to turn text into videos. As you can see, I set it as video, and then I'm going to just say Spider-Man running on the moon. Then go ahead and use the AI to play it. Set my aspect ratio. I'm going to use this aspect ratio here. This one looks much better. Then click on send, and you will see that it's going to generate it for me. And guys, this is how easy it is to basically use the power of AI to generate your videos in Grok Imagine. How cool is that, guys? Let's wait for it to complete so that you can see that video. And as well, you can also see in terms of images, when you scroll down, you can see what that look like. You'll see various images that it generates and videos as well. So you can see that these are videos. And look at this. How cool. Spider-Man running on the moon. That's really, really cool, guys. And so you can easily take the power of AI to generate whatever you want. I really love the power of Grok because it is really, really cool, guys.